welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and right behind me I have my Azure Standard haul for the month of January, which I'm so excited to share with you. I skipped December because I didn't need anything, and it's always so busy in December. I didn't really want to order anything. But if you guys do not know what Azure Standard is, it is a company where you're able to order stuff online, whether it's produce, skincare, household cleaning supplies, animal feed, even gardening stuff, which I'm gonna be ordering soon, which I'm so excited for gardening season. If you guys are interested in purchasing from Azure Standard, I will provide a link down below for you to use. I will get an incentive, then you can get your own code and you can use it to share it with your friends and family to get your own incentive. Now let's get to see what I got today because there is a lot. Starting off with the 10 pounds of lemons, these look a little sad, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to use these to dehydrate and give them away as gifts in the future for like birthdays and whatnot, but I don't like that there's a lot of little spots in them. Look at that. So I guess I'm gonna use these pretty much just to juice and to dehydrate for my own personal purposes. Here we have 4 pounds of ginger, and I didn't realize how much 1 pound was, but that's okay. I use a lot of ginger in my cooking and in my teas. So I'm gonna dehydrate this, mince it as well, and freeze it. I did that a while back and it worked wonderfully with my dishes. Same thing with the garlic. I purchased a 5-pound bag, I think in October. And half of that was used to grow more garlic in the backyard, and the other half was used to mince and freeze. And let me tell you guys, it's a lot of work when you're peeling all of this, but it tastes so good in your cooking. It tastes so fresh, so worth it. So make sure you have a TV show, a marathon to watch, because you're gonna be doing this all day. Here we have 6 bunches of celery, and I don't know what it is about organic celery because I've been trying to buy some for the past week from like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and they're all out. And I don't have that much luck. I might be able to buy 1 or 2, but I wanted a bunch at a time because I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to juice and freeze my juice because I've seen that online that it works if you leave, a headspace on your mason jars. And juicing is a lot of work and it's a lot of cleaning. So if I can avoid that for 2 weeks, then that is a win for me. So that's why I bought 6 packs of celery. Here we have soy curls. Now these soy curls are so delicious. I used one for the first time 2 weeks ago and I made bulgogi. Now my tip for you is when you're soaking this, you rinse that water out, squeeze any excess water from the soy curls and kind of do that around 2-3 more times. It reduces the grittiness of the soy curls and the smell that they have as well. But it's a really good product. Right here we have 20 pounds of organic Granny Smith apples, and some of them don't look the best, but again, these are just gonna be used to juice, so that's okay. I don't need them to look pretty. Update, now the green apples are really mushy when I juice them. This never happens when I buy them locally, and it was a real pain to clean the juicer. We have 5 pounds of small cashew pieces. These are non-GMO. I think the prices went up in this. I thought it was 15, but when I purchased it, it was 17. Though it's still cheaper than if I were to go to Costco and buy like a 2 or 2.5 pound bag. I use this primarily just to make my cashew milk, maybe like my cashew crema, and that's pretty much it. Here we have some Himalayan pink salt. I just needed to restock. I always buy like a small container at like Aldi, but I wanted to have enough so I can use for the whole year. And because it's just my husband and I, this is definitely going to last us. Vital wheat gluten, and I purchased a small bag a few months ago and I'm almost done with it. Now this right here I used to make my vegan chicken cutlet. It was so yummy. I breaded it and I made it into sandwiches, or I made it into chicken parm. But this time around, I kind of want to use to make like little chicken nuggets. Instead of buying it at the grocery store with a lot of additives inside, I can just make it myself. It was so simple and it's much healthier for you. So here we have some disposable products. It's just some forks and spoons. I generally buy mine from Aldi, but because these are compostable, it intrigued me. So that is that. Here we have 1 pound of ground Ceylon cinnamon. I use this for my coffee, my baked goods, sometimes my tea. It's just an all-around great product and it's really good for you. This is 5 pounds of organic red beets. These are massive. Now, this I'm just gonna use to juice, and I purchased 25 pounds a few months ago and I used them I roasted them and I pickled them, and I also froze them. So I still have a lot of those left. So I just needed very little just to juice. Here we have some more disposable products. We have sandwich bags and some paper straws. Let's go back over here. Here I have 2 little lip balms. One is vanilla mint. That's going to be for myself. And this is a vanilla cherry. My husband loves cherry lip balms and with better ingredients, so I wanted to get that. Here we have some liquid chlorophyll. I drink chlorophyll from time to time, and I just decided, you know what, it's time. I'm back on my health kick after the holidays, so that's why I purchased this. And this is my favorite vanilla. If I'm not mistaken, this is Mexican vanilla, and it's amazing. I use this on all my baked goods, my cashew milk, and during the holiday season, I ran out, which I was really, really sad. And it's not the same. Any other vanilla is not the same. So that's the one I always get. Here we have some organic hazelnut extract because I use this along with this right here for my cashew milk. These are some cleaning products. Now, these cleaning products, you can also buy, I believe, in 128 ounce. I wanted to test it out before I committed. And it's just a dish soap, fragrance free, because my husband's hands get a little bit itchy with some fragrances. We have some toilet bowl cleaner, pine fragrance. Hopefully this smells good. Sometimes pine fragrance smells like a little chemically, but because this is, you know, all natural, plant-based, I'm assuming it's not. This is glass cleaner, fragrance free. We have a lot of windows and a lot of mirrors, so that's why I wanted to buy that. We have a bathroom cleaner. It's citrus fragrance because I'm the one that usually cleans the bathroom, and I wanted to have something that smells very uplifting, you know. Moving on over here, we have some stainless steel spray. I ran out of mine that I currently use, and I just wanted to try something different. This is Dijon mustard. Now, I'm slightly allergic to this, and 2 months ago when I ordered it, it had spilled in the box. Luckily, my dad was there, which helped me clean everything up. And then when I got home, my husband had to clean the box completely. But you know, like when you check out and there's like a little area where you can add a message to Azure Standard, I did that and I asked them to package it up, please. And they did. Not only did they add it in a small bag, but they added that little bag into a box. So I'm so thankful. Thank you guys so much. I definitely encourage you guys to do the same. If you have any allergies or just have any questions, definitely write something there. And this right here, I was laughing so hard. So I added this last minute for my husband. And I was like, oh yeah, I got you, you know, this sirloin steak. It's supposed to be like really good for you, like grass fed, you know, all that. And he was so excited. And when I opened the box, I saw this and I died of laughter. It is so tiny. Now, I don't really know. I should have looked at the 6 ounces. I guess I didn't read that. So I told him, I was like, you better enjoy this one bite when you make this because it's not gonna last you a long time.
And there you have it. That was my haul for Azure Standard for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below if you haven't. And if you had any suggestions for me to purchase in the future, let me know. Remember, I do live a plant-based lifestyle. My husband does not, but I'm so open to see what you guys love because there's so many products that Azure Standard carries. It is so hard to buy everything at once. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.